Welcome back to our channel, your trusted space for natural health and beauty solutions. If you're dreaming of glowing, clear skin without expensive products or harsh chemicals, you're in the right place. Today, we're revealing the surprising skin benefits of a small but mighty fruit, the kiwi. Stay with us, because what you'll learn could change your skincare game forever. Did you know that a small, fuzzy fruit can be your secret weapon for glowing, youthful skin? Yes, we're talking about kiwi, the green wonder packed with skin-boosting nutrients. If you've been investing in expensive creams and serums with little results, it's time to shift your focus inward, because beauty truly starts from within. In today's video, we'll uncover how kiwi can transform your skin health naturally, what makes it so powerful, and how you can include it in your daily diet for the best results. So, grab a seat and stay with us till the end, because your skin will thank you. Why glowing skin matters and what affects a glowing skin is more than a beauty standard. It's often a sign of good internal health. Our skin reflects what's happening inside the body. Poor nutrition, dehydration, oxidative stress, lack of sleep, and hormonal imbalances can lead to dullness, breakouts, and premature aging. While skincare products work externally, your skin's true nourishment starts with what you eat. That's where the humble kiwi shines. It's not just a fruit, it's a powerhouse of skin-loving nutrients. Nutritional profile of kiwi. Why it stands out. Kiwi may be small in size, but don't underestimate its nutritional value. Just one medium kiwi contains over 70 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than the amount in an orange. It's also rich in vitamin E, vitamin K, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. Additionally, kiwi contains folate, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids from its seeds, all of which contribute to healthier skin. One of the key reasons kiwi is so good for your skin is because of its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help combat free radicals, unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress, and accelerate skin aging. When your body is overloaded with free radicals due to pollution, poor diet, or stress, your skin becomes the first victim. Kiwi helps fight this damage naturally. Vitamin C. Kiwi's skin brightening superpower. Vitamin C is one of the most important nutrients for skin health, and kiwi delivers it in abundance. This vitamin plays a major role in collagen production, which is the protein that keeps your skin firm, elastic, and youthful. As we age, collagen levels drop, leading to fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. Eating kiwi regularly helps slow down this process by fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to make more collagen. Moreover, vitamin C also helps in reducing dark spots, acne scars, and hyperpigmentation, giving your skin a brighter and more even tone. That's why many cosmetic products boast of vitamin C. But natural sources, like kiwi, are far more effective and safe in the long run. Vitamin E and omega-3 South. Hydration and repair. Skin-loving nutrient found in kiwi is vitamin E. This fat-soluble antioxidant works to nourish your skin from deep within, preventing dryness and improving the skin barrier. A healthy barrier means your skin retains moisture better and protects itself from external irritants like dust, bacteria, and UV rays. Kiwi seeds also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3 South help reduce inflammation in the skin, which is often the root cause of acne, redness, and irritation. If you're struggling with sensitive or acne-prone skin, Omega-3 South can bring calm and clarity. Kiwi for acne, scars, and blemishes. One of the most overlooked benefits of kiwi is its role in reducing acne and healing post-acne marks. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties, kiwi can help reduce the frequency of breakouts. It cleanses the blood, supports gut health, and balances internal inflammation, all of which are crucial for clear skin. Moreover, kiwi's natural acids and enzymes gently exfoliate dead skin cells and promote skin renewal. Over time, this reduces the appearance of scars, blemishes, and uneven skin tone. Your skin looks fresher, brighter, and naturally radiant. Kiwi and hydration. Natural skin plumper. Another key factor in skin health is hydration. Dehydrated skin looks dull, flaky, and prone to fine lines. While drinking water is essential, hydrating foods like kiwi add an extra layer of moisture from within. Kiwi is nearly 80% water, making it a perfect skin-hydrating fruit. It also contains electrolytes like potassium, which help balance fluids in the body and improve skin turgor. That bouncy, youthful look? A well-hydrated body equals plump, smooth, and healthy-looking skin. Kiwi and detox. Cleansing for clearer skin. Beautiful skin also depends on how well your body eliminates toxins. If your liver or digestive system is sluggish, toxins can start showing up on your skin as acne, dullness, or inflammation. Kiwi acts as a natural Its fiber content helps improve digestion and promote regular bowel movements, clearing waste and toxins from the body efficiently. A clean gut equals a clean face, and kiwi's Digestive benefits play a big role in giving your skin that clear, breakout-free glow. How to eat kiwi for skin benefits. Now that you know how powerful kiwi is for your skin, let's talk about how to eat it for maximum results. The best way is to eat it raw and fresh, with or without the peel. The peel is edible and contains additional fiber and antioxidants. Just make sure to wash it well. You can also blend it into smoothies, add it to fruit salads, or simply enjoy it as a snack. For the best results, eat 1 to 2 kiwis daily, preferably in the morning or as an evening snack. You'll start noticing skin improvements within a few weeks if you stay consistent. External application. Face mask tip. Did you know? You can also use kiwi externally. A simple DIY kiwi face mask can refresh and brighten your skin instantly. Here's a quick recipe. Mash 1 ripe kiwi. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. This mask tightens pores, fades blemishes, and gives a fresh glow, perfect before a big day or event. Who should avoid kiwi? While kiwi is generally safe, it may cause allergic reactions in some people, especially those allergic to latex, bananas, or papaya. If you experience itching, swelling, or discomfort after eating kiwi, stop and consult a doctor. Also, those with kidney issues should limit their intake due to kiwi's high potassium content. To sum it up, kiwi is one of the most skin-friendly fruits you can include in your diet. With its rich vitamin C, vitamin E, fiber, antioxidants, and hydrating properties, it works from the inside out to give your skin a natural, healthy glow. It's not just a fruit, it's a beauty booster from nature. So, instead of chasing chemical-loaded creams, try adding a kiwi to your daily routine and let your skin shine naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves skincare. Comment below if you want more fruit-based beauty tips, and until next time, stay healthy, stay glowing.